What's going on, traders? Today I'm going to be bringing you another 200 pip GJ trade that I'm into right now. As you can see, I have two positions open, so I'm going to talk to you guys real quick about this trade, and I'm also going to give you an update on where I've been and why I haven't been uploading to the channel. Okay, so right now I entered this trade yesterday at London, and I've been in this trade for about 2 days now. The first day I did hit 130 pips. Now today I'm gathering the other 70. I'm waiting for this trade to break this level of resistance before I consider getting out of it. Right now I'm looking at the level of 164 as the high point for the trade. GJ could pass 164, but I mean, if you break it down and you do a top-down analysis, you'll see that that's pretty much a high point. It's kind of almost unlikely that it will hit that point. I'm looking for it more along the lines to hit right here. As you can see, I'm going to show you the level I'm really expecting it to give a problem at, which is kind of right around here. Now, if I go to a higher time frame, you see this? It's not looking too good that it's going to reach there. So that's why I put my TP around here, because this is looking like the more realistic approach before we get a little bit of a reversal. On the day chart, there was some sells, but this was just as you can see, it was just a pullback. But we're still in an uptrend overall, a strong one, and this uptrend began right around the war, as you can see from the periods. So I'm expecting this to continue to go up, but as you can see from that wick, I'm not really expecting too much. When you go to the 4 hour, you kind of see that it's like news events that did this. You can just look at the candle and tell. After trading for a while, you'll know when you see those type of candles. Right now, I'm in an area where I know this wants to go up, but it's going to give me a hard time. It may not even do this today. It may do it tomorrow. So I'm waiting to see. However, though, I'm just here posting to let you guys know I'm still trading. People who know that I trade, who I've spoken to about trading, they look at me and they kind of wonder what's going on. And you know, they don't know, they kind of want to ask, but Forex has this thing, in at least in my community, where people know it as a scam. They don't think it's real, and because of those things, they kind of look at me and go, ha ha ha, we heard about Forex, 90% of traders, yada yada, all the negativity people throw at you. And they pretty much just, they're waiting for your downfall on the low. Like, I don't want to make it sound so negative, but just realistically, that's what it is. And they just wait and they watch and they see what's going on with you. They see what you got on. They see what you drive. They want to see, like, if the lifestyle is there. Now, I'm not a lifestyle Forex trader, so I don't present myself in that way. But as you can see, you know, I got on my stuff. You know, I have my little things to let you know it's there. But I rather let the pips speak for themselves. A lot of people on YouTube, they teach you how to scalp primarily. They don't really show you how to hold a trade. If you look at the period, you see where I ended my trade at. I ended my trade. I've been in this trade for 2 days. I'm probably going to get out of this trade tomorrow because I don't like to really trade after Thursday. I take Fridays off and I kind of like reflect on the market and watch what it's doing. So I'll probably get out of this trade tomorrow. But I want to see it break this level. Like I said, this 162, I wanted to break that level. And then I'll be happy with getting out of it. But at the end of the day, yeah, so I had a lot of personal stuff going on. I had a death in the family. My whole family was sick, and I just was trying to get some stuff done behind the scenes. There's services that I want to provide that I have to get the nooks and crannies out of. A lot of people ask me about the trading robot that I'm using. I don't feel comfortable really giving that robot out, because if I give this robot out, or of course sell wise, the robot is not going to work the way it should if you don't know how to use it. So I prefer you have some basic knowledge of what's going on in the market before you use any robot. I'm not a person that wants to just make money by selling it to you, and you get it and you're like, oh, well, what happened? Why did I lose this trade? Yep, sorry about that. So I don't want anybody to like lose a trade and then want to know why. Is it the robot? Robots have this bad name, and they really work, but it's really on you to just kind of like do some of the work. Even though a robot can work for you, you still got to know the conditions of the market, and if those conditions are good enough for you to use the robot. Because if the market conditions are bad and you take a trade, just like the robot, you're going to lose. The robot's going to lose too. Robots are not perfect. They do what they're supposed to do. If a condition is met in the market for the trigger a trade, it will. But the market is also aware of these things, and the market can move a certain kind of way. And if it does, guess what? You're getting cooked regardless. There's no way around getting cooked if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, so for me, if people hit me up and they want to learn how to trade and they want to get a robot so they can make some money, that's fine. I always say, hey, I got robots I can sell you, but at the end of the day, like, you can go to the website and see what I have, but at the end of the day, I would prefer you come to me, get a class. I'll show you how to use the robot so you'll understand, and once you understand the robot, then you'll understand how to trade. Now, I can't just give away certain things. Just like my mentor showed me certain things, I can show you certain things, but there's certain things you can't just give people. Some people have this thing of, oh, well, if it works, why would you sell it? Well, it's to make extra money, foolish person. I don't sit here on the charts 24/7 taking trades. I just told you guys I take off Friday. You got Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I have other businesses to run, so why couldn't I sell software? Because there's a lot of bad stigmas around Forex, and especially in my community. A lot of people just don't believe it, and it's real. It's real. Like, you see this candle, it just literally dropped 20 pips right there. I'm not moved by that. You know, some people hop out of a trade. Some people even hold trades past 20 pips. I'm in a trade that just literally dropped 20 pips in front of you live while I'm talking. So it's really the mindset. It's really understanding. It's really just knowing what's going on. But anyway, I don't want to get on here and talk like some expert. I only been trading 2 years. I don't want to get on here and act like I know everything. I don't teach strategies. I just help people who want to learn. And the reason I don't teach strategy is because strategies only work for people that develop their own. I developed my own. I had people trying to teach me how to trade Forex and nothing really worked. My mentor, he helped me, and that helps. That helps a lot. If you don't have somebody that know how to trade around you to kind of guide you, it's going to be hard for you. But I'm going to make a separate video talking about these things. I don't want to get too much into it here. But right now, I just wanted to give you an update, let you guys know. The Telegram group is still open. I got a few people in there, not too many. It's not really active. I'm sorry about that. But I am building something else for you guys. I don't want to say what it is yet because I want it to be done. It seems like if I talk about things too early, it's like I'm jinxing it. So let's just put it like this. I am working on something now to replace the Telegram because there's a lot of scams on WhatsApp and Telegram. And I'll have that available. When I do, I'll invite everybody for free. And then after a while, I'm probably going to lock that group for people who come in just to keep, just to keep it where it's us. We're learning with, I don't want too much noise and distractions. I might make a free group and a paid group. The paid group is for the serious people. It won't be too much money. It's just to keep the noise out and make sure that the serious people get what they need. And to keep people who do buy the indicators and the services happy, to make sure you guys understand what's going on. Now, I'm not here to sell this stuff to you because this stuff is still in the works. I'm just giving you an update because I have to show you this live. I'm not a lifestyle trader. I'm a chart trader. I'm a pip trader. And you do have lifestyle traders that know how to trade. I'm not getting into all of that. But the bottom line is you can't lie about the pips. You see the pips live in front of you. You can't make that up. You can't really make that up. Now, the lot size and all of that, yeah, you could take 20 pips at a 5 standard lot and get crazy, make a lot of money. Let's be real, right? So imagine if you did a 5 standard lot with 200 pips. Imagine. You see what I'm saying? So I'm just showing you. Because remember, GJ is one of the most traded pairs. It moves about 100 pips a day on average, around there. And imagine if you get a funded account and you take a lot 5 and then you get 200 pips. And this happens at least 3 times a week. So, I've been studying this pair for a while, and it happens at least 3 times. Out of the 4 days that I trade, you'll see this move happen about 3 times. Sometimes it'll happen on Friday too, but that's when they try to shake people out. But I won't get into those theories either, because a lot of people don't believe that, but I do. So I don't trade on Friday, I just chill. But that's it. The video's long enough. I'm going to be bringing you guys more of the vlogs and stuff, letting you guys see what's going on. I've been traveling, looking for an office to put some equipment for crypto purposes and stuff like that. So you'll be seeing some live videos of me out and about. But this is just an update to let you guys know what's going on. And they're going to pullback that we need. We need to have a pullback off of that level. I know it's going to happen. So it's cool. Anyway, I'm going to let this trade run for the day while I'm running around. I'm out of here. Y'all be good. Peace.